Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Google account that holds the photos, and that drive has enough free space. This avoids interrupted exports. Next, open Google Takeout and immediately deselect everything except Google Photos so you export only what you need. Once selected, choose file type and size limits, then set delivery method to add the archive to Google Drive. This first export step queues your photos for transfer without manual downloads, saving time and preserving album structure. After you click Create Export, Takeout begins assembling your Google Photos into archive files. Be patient because large libraries can take several hours or more. Once the export finishes, you'll get an email and a visible archive in your Google Drive Takeout folder, so make sure to refresh Drive and check the correct account. Then open the archive files in Drive and extract or move their contents. This step collects the photo files inside Drive, so you can organize them without re-uploading from your device. Once archives are in Drive, extract or selectively move photos into clearly named folders so you maintain your album structure and make future searches easier. Then set sharing permissions or convert folders to whatever organization scheme you prefer. Keep copies in Drive's My Drive route for quick access. If photos are missing or the archive failed, first confirm you used the correct account and had sufficient storage. If needed, rerun Takeout with smaller archive sizes or export specific albums to resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.